Hi, Diamond. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, July 16th. July 16th. And it is another day, probably at home. We're in Texas, so the cases are pretty high right now. So we don't go out much. However, I do think we will go ahead and go out for lunch today. So it is 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna feed the girls their breakfast, and then I'll take you along for the rest of our day. It is me and my two daughters. I have a 3.5-year-old and a 6-year-old over there. Watch your head. Ooh, you would have hit your head. Watch what you're doing. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare something to eat. And I might have to make a Target order actually. I like to drink these two drinks. Let's see. Can y'all see them? I never tried it before, but I like to drink this one in the morning and then this one usually in the afternoon, or I drink green tea. I'm not a huge fan of cranberry, so I might just drink my green tea today. And then I fast, so I'll eat when the girls eat at lunchtime. So I'm gonna go ahead and get our meal, or their meal, ready for the day, the morning. So the girls are just gonna have basically a fruit plate this morning, and then they have a string cheese, and then I'll go ahead and get them water and milk.
When we say fish, don't point the camera at us.
I'm saying the chickens. So my brother and his nephew, or my nephew, are here. Okay, so I kind of got started on like decluttering yesterday. So this is one of the bags I was working on. Like I said earlier, I've done these 3 bins. I still have this one that's mostly Christmas stuff, and then I have some stuff in this one also. Oh baby, you gotta put your clothes in the laundry. Over here we have gone through the Barbie bucket. So we've gone through all of these. Oh, let me see. This is like the bigger Legos. This is learning supplies. We have like the little magnets and these blocks. And then in here we have like a bunch of card games and stuff like that. So all of those are good. Over here is all puzzles. These are all puzzles. We do have to go through this because I know the girls don't play with a lot of that. And then this is Polly Pocket stuff, and they play with all of this. So there's all of this. Here baby, here's your dinosaur. And then over here under Anastasia's stuff, we have Amira's Legos. So all this goes here.
Yeah, my little frozen Legos.
We gotta find somewhere for the Chubby Puppy stuff. This is a little Chubby Puppy set that we have. You have the Chubby Puppies?
I'm Ada.
Okay, hold on. Let me move this stuff. And here we have a bunch of Orbeez. So they just all stay in here. And then back here is Play-Doh.
You have a very decluttered room.
Yeah, we're still working on it. And then back here is, ouch, that hurt. The big Play-Doh. This thing has been through a lot. You see all the paint on it. But here is like all the Play-Doh and like Play-Doh accessories. I need to vacuum all this little stuff up. My old laptop and a ball. So that's what we're going to be working on the rest of the day. I also need to go through my budget. I need to go through my budget and figure out what is paid this check. Oh, it's dusty too. Okay. So I'm gonna have the girls help me with this while they play with Play-Doh, and then I need to find a bucket for that. This is mine. That's Anna's. I still need to add the cheese. And there's, I don't know, 200 potato. And then I just need to make her a Hot Pocket. So I'm a short order cook today. And then Josue's over there. Lunchtime is over. It is 12:30. The girls are watching the rest of Home right now. But I think we'll go ahead and just get quiet time started with, because my Target order is ready and I have to go pick that up. But we will see. Usually during quiet time I get work done. I don't have any orders to get out today. Everyone has their tracking numbers. I did that this morning. And what else? So yeah, it's just filming. I filmed something yesterday. I'm gonna look over the footage and see if I can edit it and post it. If not, then oh well. So I'm gonna go make the rest of my to-do list for the day and put the girls for quiet time.